So guys, this is something cool I found at the Lowe's. It's the Craftsman 3-piece large collapsible magnetic tray set. It is their number CMMT 98371. And as can be seen here, it has a full lifetime warranty. Now guys, I'm a big fan of these that collapse. I've got some other ones that will collapse like this. And what's nice is you can use them when you're done. And as you can see in this set, the two small ones nest inside the larger tray. And so what you have is something very small footprint as far as thickness wise. You don't have to worry about if you need to put it in your toolbox that you've got something thicker. And you can either set this by itself in a drawer or on top of something. And these look particularly nice. And the reason that I bought these is because of the magnetic tray. So next I want to take a look at the dimensions. Now, when I say internal, it's going to be at the base of each one, from the width and the length, again at the bottom. And then we're going to give the overall dimensions, length and width, from outside to outside. The base dimensions of the large tray is 9 3/8 by 5 3/8, and the overall length and width is 11 1/8 by 7 1/8. As to the medium tray, we have 4 9/16 by 3 9/16 for the very bottom of the inside of the unit of the tray, and then the exterior dimensions 6 1/8 by 5 1/8. The small tray is 3 5/8 by 1 5/8 at the inside base, and it's 5 3/16 by 3 1/8 overall outside of the largest dimension. Now, to be clear, these will not, they're not magnetic to where you can put these on the side of your toolbox. Okay, the magneticism is the base inside, so you can't, they have some where you can actually put these, you know, and put them on the side of the toolbox for storage. But what these allow is, I've got some larger washers, is you can put parts, bolts, whatever it might be that you're working on, and they will hold your parts. They look pretty good. And let me tell you, they're on there pretty good. Now, something I want to try is to see how this holds up to lacquer thinner. I've got lacquer thinner in a spray bottle because anytime I get grease on something, if I'm working, I like to clean it off with lacquer thinner. So what I'm going to do is spray it on here, let it set for a little bit, and take a towel And I'm going to get some, well, we already do have some on the silicone, the sides. Let me see if it does anything. And it didn't do a thing. Now that's good. Yeah, that's nice. It didn't, I still got a little bit of lacquer thinner down there, but it did not take anything off. Didn't damage the surface, the finish of the base, or damage the silicone. So, it passes my lacquer thinner test for cleaning. And as you can see, guys, this thing is durable enough to hold a little moose. And if she wasn't so shy, she'd let you know herself. Little moose.